we've got a Caterpillar here, gray Caterpillar. It makes it rare.
That click in a second.
Okay,
it'll
so
click. It'll click off.
De-energizes that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's energized to stop. So this thing will run with no electricity at all. That engine.
Okay.
You need it to stop the engine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what happened to that thing?
Now, it could just be screwy.
Yeah. I looked in here. It don't look that complicated, really.
No, red coat panel. There's probably a couple time delays. Couple cards up there with some little pots on them for crank disconnect over
this is low,
all that stuff.
Low pressure, that.
Yeah.
But yeah, and this works. I mean, you can dial in voltage with it.
I see. One thing I wouldn't idle it a long time with.
Oh, is that right?
With the regulator connected.
Oh, okay.
With the voltage regulator connected.
They don't like that.
Yeah, don't like that.
All right.
Now, like you said, they're made to start and immediately ramp up to speed and stay there.
All right. Well, see, that's what I need to know because I don't know.
Yeah. Disconnecting the regulator would be simple. The regulator only has two sensing wires that come off the output. You put a switch in there to break one of them.
Okay.
And that completely.
Okay, so I could have a switch out here, like this.
Exactly. Toggle. Yeah. Just regulator on or off.
Right.
You know.
All right.
Start the generator. You can let it. Start it, idle it, let it warm up. Bring it up to speed. Flip the regulator switch on, and then your voltmeter will go right up to where you want it, and you can dial it in with that.
What is this, Mike? Give us some specs on it.
It's a Caterpillar D334 engine. It's an overhead cam engine. It's a neat unit. They made a couple different engines in this series. That's from the 70s.
Yeah, 71, I think.
71? Yeah.
What was it pulled out of, Joe?
What's that?
What was it pulled out of? What kind of building?
I think it's up in Wilmington,
right?
Delaware. I think it was the ATT phone company.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
okay.
It had it on there.
Oh, that explains the gray too.
Yeah, it does.
How about that? It's funny how you learn little things. That's the first thing I wondered. I seen cat. I said, wonder why it's gray. There you go.
Now I got another one of these I bought in Florida that they had let water get in the exhaust. And they said it said runs on it and all this, and I'm thinking, yeah, the exhaust is full of water. And this, so anyway, and the oil stick was right up. So I'm like, so I watched it for 6 months. Went to every auction, and they run it up to $4 or $5 grand. It was phony. They always do that. So the last auction, $500.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yep, you finally got real. So I took it back to the house down there, and I opened up that petcock and drained all the water out of there. And then the oil level was right again. So I brought it home over here, to, the farm over here. And I said, let me see. So there's a little cover, and you get to the flywheel teeth and put a power bar in there, she freed right up. I'm like, I can't believe this. So I knew it had water for 6 months because nobody covered the exhaust. So I got it to spin about 5 times with the bar. And then I said, well, at Tuckahoe, I'm bringing it, and I'll have it running by then. And then this one showed up a couple months later at the auction, and I missed it. And the guy said, I told him, I said, man, that's not what people use nowadays. That's an antique. He goes, I was going to sell it to the guys up in Pennsylvania. I said, no, they don't want this. They get these, and then I buy them off of them or trade them something, And then I take it to shows and just love all. Because I had run it up to 1,500, and he got it for 1,650, right? I'm like, it's just a toy, man.
There goes Mike again, helping out friends. That's what it's all about. He don't care what size or nothing. He'll do anything for anybody.